Howdy folks, Jimmy Weller here with Jimmy's Crash Course out here along our used trailer lot. We got a lot of trailers, that's just some of them. Here's an 18-foot, this is a Winston trailer. You may recognize that name because we sell these trailers brand new. This one here came to us as a trade-in. It's a 2004 model. It is still in very good condition. It's got some use on it, but the body and the frame are still in excellent condition. Has those heavy-duty flip-down ramps, heavy-duty floor, big 16-inch tires and wheels. On the front is a Pintle ring, and that jack has a drop leg, so you don't have to crank it all the way. Also, there is a storage compartment in that front, or a tray, where you can set some chains and straps. So this trailer, 18-foot, is ready to go for you. 20,000 pound weight rating. Come check it out at Wellers and Wellers.com.